This is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book on the clarinet with line 52, four-part little star. And in this video, we're going to concentrate on the C line, which is one of the harmony lines for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So I'm going to walk you through what we have, and then we will put it all together. So looking at line C, we start out with our treble clef. And then our time signature is 2/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number tells us the value of the whole note if we had one. So if we had a whole note, it would get 4 beats. And half of a whole is a half of 4 is 2. So the half notes get 2 beats. And then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So the quarter notes get 1 beat each. Next, let's look for notes and patterns. So first measure of line C, we start with 2 quarter note E's, thumb and 1. Then we move on to 2 quarter note G's, which are open, nothing covered. Then 2 quarter note A's, this toggle key up front, and then back to a half note G. Then we stay on the G, we do 4 of those on quarter notes, and then A, G, skip down to the E. So I'm going to play that first line for you. I hope you can play along with me and keep up. My metronome is set to 88 beats per minute, and I'm going to start each note with a t sound. So the tip of my tongue will be touching the tip of the reed. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And that's it for the first line, C. Now let's scroll down and see what we have next. So the second line, C, hopefully you have noticed, it's exactly the same as the first line, C. So let's keep going. We go on to the next page, and our third line, C, now that is completely different, and it's all G's. We've got quarter notes for 3 measures, then a half note, and then that pattern repeats. And finally, our final line of C is just like the first 2 lines of C. So let's talk about that real quick. When we talk about form, we are talking about themes and main ideas. So if we have 4 lines of C, and we were talking about form, with the first 2 being the same as each other, in form we would say that's the A theme. So we have A, then A. The third line of C is different, and because it's different we call it B. Finally, the last line is just like the first 2, so that is A again. So when we are talking about form, this would be A, B, A. So what I'm going to do next, because I physically cannot scroll and play at the same time, we are going to start down here on this line C, and we're going to play it twice because it's just like the first 2 line C's from the previous page. Then I'm going to come up to this line C, play that 1 time, and then come back down to this line C and play it 1 last time. And that way you get the full effect of line C of 4-part little star. I'm going to slow my metronome down to 84 beats per minute, and I hope you can play along with me. If you can, that's great. If you need to stop and pause and rewatch part of the video, that's fine too. But here we go. 1, 2, ready. it for line C of 4-part little star. I hope this has been helpful, and we will see you next time.